Something's up with my mic. All right, here we go. What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the stream, y'all. Y'all already know what time it is. It's money time. Yo, it's Monday. Y'all know how the Mondays be going. It be typical Mondays, right? So here we are. We got gold pulled up right now, guys. We working on gold. I got out of the gym a little late, so I got here. I was running a little behind, but I'm here and I'm coming to see like what the heck we got going on in these markets. All right, so let's analyze a little bit on what we got happening and we got popping. So based off of last week, let's just see where we are right now. I saw that we actually pushed up last week, Wednesday, into this area, this zone, where this over here was marked as my institutional candles, right? So, all right. We mitigated off of that, basically off the 50% area, and then she fell. Where she fall to? Well, this area here, it was insufficient price action. Like if I moved it up here, as you can see, market came down and dipped right up into that area. All right. So I'm like looking at market jumping off of this area and reaching back up. Now, I want market to come back up into this area here. Like if, as you can see, like there's a big insufficiency in price. When they slipped, they came down and they made all of this imbalance in price, right? So I'm looking at that like, all right, this is, they bounced here. They should come up here in this area, right? Not like, I'm like looking at the buys now, like basically like I'm looking to want to buy. This was from last week. I don't think that it's going to give me no 150 pips. She basically gave about, she pushed out about 79 pips, which wasn't really that bad, guys. But that was pretty much all that she gave at the moment. So I'm just going to leave it here. I'm looking now to see if market can get back up in this area. Look, we have a POI right here. All right, we got the eye that's going on. There's insufficiency in price right above here in this area here. So I'm thinking that market could come back up into this area now. Like they came down, right? Mitigated off of this area, went up, retest. Here's the retest to come back to the high side. So I'm looking at maybe buys this week, guys. I'm looking at some buys. I just want to come on here real quick because I do have a meeting that I have to be there for, and it's for a big thing that I have going on. So I gotta cut it short, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys, you know, just tell you guys what it is that I'm seeing, what's going on in these markets, right? My perspective of these markets. And it does look like we could be getting buys. Let's see. Yeah, it does look like we could be buying up in this area, but because we're in this like crazy little consolidation, I kind of don't want to mess with this area. I want to see like some serious like pushes, taking liquidities, um you know, filling up some gaps. I want to see that, and I'm not seeing none of that, right? Here, this line, I guess it was a gap here or something, but this is a gap. Let me delete this. It's a 15-minute gap I'm seeing right now. All right. That's cool right there. We're still looking a little clean. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, this could be more of a buy. Let me just get rid of this. This is where this is. You can see that shit. Right here. And then to there. That was all they gave us, was that, and that's fine. Yeah, we got these lows here. They tagged into those twice. And yeah, like you could buy this thing up now. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a little, just some little buys or something like that that's happening right now. But I'm saying that because I'm thinking that she could break above this area, right? If you look at over here, we have liquidity below, and you know, insufficiency in price. We have these lows, these double bottoms, so this whole pool of money down here. But to be honest, like she could just like go up and take out this high, maybe even get up into this area here, this pink area here. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this go because we don't need that no more. We did not get, well, we did get down here a little bit, not much. And then we are still, again, guys, we are in a consolidation area. So don't be so quick to want to take a trade, you know, so fast, because we are in a consolidation area. So this market could go either way. We need to see, what I'm looking for is for a market to take a side. There is no side that has been taken just yet. I need a side to be taken, right? Once that side is taken, then I know that, all right, we going in this direction. But there's no need to like try to like force a trade when y'all could clearly see, look at all this congestion right here. Like it's congested right up in this area. Like I don't want to play in stuff like this. All right, guys. The only thing I really want to do is wait for the move to come to me, wait for it to present itself and show that, hey, like I see these lows here, right? And then I know that that's a pool of money, right? So I'm gonna be like, all right, that's a pool of money right there. But then I'm also seeing that I got this here, I got this here, I got these here, this, right? So if this comes down and take this, I know she's coming up, right? She comes down here, take this, maybe even like you see this little 15-minute little area that's like this candle right here. Let me make it bigger so you can see what I'm talking about. I need y'all to see this. Look at this candle right here. They sneaky with it. You see that? Insufficiency in price. This could be what they do. Come down, take these lows, dip in this area, and run up. Maybe that works out. We don't quite know just yet. But let me just keep analyzing it and see, because that's the only way I'm gonna find out is if I'm analyzing these charts. So give me a second. Let me look around. Yo, y'all see dollar? Dollar is tagging my areas, yo, of insufficiency. Like, look at my point of interest areas. They're like all up in these areas, right? We don't need this one. Let's just update this. We don't need none of this shit. All right, this is showing me that she is stair stepping up, y'all. Like she's stair stepping up, going up, right? Let's just look at her on the, let's look at her on a weekly real quick. Because looking at higher time frames, guys, is the best way to determine direction on market. So look, dollar is a buy. Dollar is buying, right? Hopefully dollar could get up in this area. We might see some pullback after that, right? after she takes these high, dipping this insufficient price action, she might end up taking like a turn here. This might be a pivotal point right here, guys. All right. Just keep in mind that there is insufficiency above. Like, look at this big eye right here. There's insufficiency above here. Look, we got gap on the daily. That's, I'm sorry, weekly. That's weekly gap. So that's a lot of insufficiency in price. Market could gravitate towards those price areas, and then after it taps into it a couple times, it could reverse. So we might see a reversal here, but we might not see a reversal here. Okay. We just got to keep our eyes on it, and I'll just keep you updated. Because I'm going to be watching these markets like a hawk this week. All right. So, yeah, we do have insufficiency in price. I'm finding like little areas above this area too. So, market could go higher on dollar. So, if dollar is looking to buy, then most likely gold is, looking to do the opposite. So, that's why I said, guys, be careful on getting in the market when it's in a congested area. Like, you don't want to find yourself trapped in an area that a lot of retail traders are playing at. Play above those guys or play below those guys. All right, just a little tip right there. All right, so let's see. Everything else looks good. Let me go 4 hour real quick. 4 hour. All right. We just have to wait and see what they present to us. Don't be so quick to want to jump in the market, guys. I'm looking at gold. Like I said, got this insufficiency below, got dollar signs below. Like, she got stuff below she could come and get, guys. Right? She need to entice buyers to come into the market in order for them to turn around and put the sales down. So right now they're enticing lots and lots of buyers. Everybody's thinking that this market is getting ready to buy up, right? But looking at what's correlating with it, it's a possibility of it selling down. But definitely have to wait. This is Monday, guys. Monday ain't gonna be a bunch of movement day. We might find a position on today, but it ain't gonna be that much movement happening. Let me see something. We have to wait on one side to get taken. That's what it's looking like to me. Just wait on one side to get taken, guys, and let's just see. Like, let it move, let it do its thing. This area right here, they've been playing in this price zone a lot. All right, I don't want to place a trade in this price, like something like this. I want to place a trade on something below, right, or something above. Here, I don't. Why? Because this can go either way. Why would I jump into something that can go either way? And it hasn't like gave me an indication of what direction they really want to go in just yet. let's see, what was it? Sunday. What was they doing Sunday? It was moving down Sunday, and then they spiked up at 0.2, taking all the people who played on Sunday out. Right? Strong possibility, like I said, of this market continuing to the downside because DXY is what? Moving up. So if DXY is moving up, gold is moving down, right? But you must wait because it doesn't necessarily mean that gold is going to do it right away, right? It doesn't work like that, guys. Because as you can see, like gold is still moving up. Like gold is still printing buy candles, right? And it hasn't like started printing a wave to the downside. We do see like, a lot of people gonna see these little 15-minute dojis and think that, market is ready to fall. But look how it's pulling back, but she could fall still. Just gotta wait. All right. See what we got here. What we got going. So it does look like DXY is going to continue pushing up. See that? So gold could, like I said, gold could tank. Definitely could tank. Like take the lows, and then from the lows, as after taking the lows, we could head back up, take the tops or something like that, and then continue down. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna take a side, guys. Once they take a side, they're gonna go and run to the other side. Once they run to the other side, they're gonna reverse again, right? And that's just how they work, right? So be very careful about jumping in these markets right now. Yeah. Because right now we're in a consolidation area, and I mean, we have to take a side. Yes, I am seeing like this strong push up and then this strong push back down. I see that, and then they came up into it and mitigated 5 minutes. I mean, that's perfect. It's a perfect play for a sell. This is a perfect play for a sell. But it would have been like up in this area, because I would have been wanting to aim for this insufficiency in price right here, right? I've been wanting to aim for that, and then like when it got up in there, gave it that 15 pip stop, and then now I'm going to aim for these lows here, like I mean this insufficiency in price. So this area here, and then like try to get down here. Strong possibility of it happening. I can see that happening. Getting down here to these lows. Maybe even tapping down here into this insufficiency in price. Right? Like that's a good play. But it is Monday, and like I said, on the overall, the big spectrum of things is that market really hasn't like pushed up above this high over here, or it hasn't pushed below these lows. Like it pushed only below these lows, but it hasn't pushed below this low. It hasn't pushed below this low. So I'm like, well, I'm gonna have to wait and see which side get taken first. Which way are they gonna push? Even though DXY is showing that that bullish momentum, right? We still could get bullish momentum on gold too. and then DXY will turn around with that bearish momentum. So you just gotta be careful, guys. Don't do too much today. It's Monday. I'm not gonna be here long. I got a jet right now, but I'm actually just standing by. If you're in my Telegram group, you will be getting updates today. If you're not in my Telegram group, make sure you go to the description below. There's a link down there that is give you access to the Telegram group. All right, and it's free. Okay, I drop signals in there. This week I will be dropping signals like in the group, whatever I see. The VIP group, of course, they're getting their signals, but the free group, I do updates and I give signals every now and then based off of like how I'm feeling and what we got going on in the VIP group too, because VIP group be going off, right? So make sure you hit that link and you check up on me, because sometimes I can't sit here and stream for an hour, 2 hours. I come on here, I give you guys my analysis, and then I'll give you guys the coordinates if I see something, and then we out. You know what I mean? I got things I gotta go handle. I got things I gotta go do, meetings and stuff, and I can't hold those things up by being on the stream for hours and hours. Even though I wish I could be here with you guys for hours and hours, it would be fun, right? But I gotta go and handle other business. But as you can see, like right now, um like I said, this was a nice good setup for sales on a lower time frame. I like the way the setup was, but I'm also keeping in mind that we are in a consolidation area. Okay, so be careful if you do decide to take this trade. Always use proper risk management per your account size. Okay, this is a marathon. All right, this isn't a sprint. You don't need the sprint. All right, this is a marathon. We gotta pace ourselves. We gotta be the turtles in this game, and we're playing with sharks. You know what I mean? So you gotta be like a shark, think like a shark. You know what I mean? Move like a shark. Because this is a game of big boys. You feel me? So don't come in here all extra timid and shit. Come here every day, thinking like a shark. Feel me? And that's what I'm here for, you guys. All right. If you're not doing it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for you. Right. But I appreciate you coming to the stream. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell and all that other good shit. You feel me? I'll see you guys next time. Tomorrow, 7 a.m. Central Time. Most likely, I could be here a lot longer for you guys tomorrow, and I'll give you guys the update on everything in the Telegram group. I'll see you guys then. One love. Peace.